Hey guys, we're going to be looking at BlackPink's Postcards. This is like the only thing I've been able to find of BlackPink since they haven't released like a physical album or anything like that. So this is the Postcard Set 1 and Postcard Set 2. So we'll start with the Set 1. Keep waiting for them to come out with like an album or something. Just plain on the back. I'm very surprised that YG hasn't been like releasing a lot of different like BlackPink goods. Alright, so that's it for that version or type. Let's got the pink one. And that is it. Not that many. I know they have other BlackPink goods, like I think I've seen like some pens and things like that, but nothing that I wanted other than these. So let me know what your thoughts are and if you guys liked these. I kind of liked the pink version just because they were a little bit more close-up images and they were a little bit clearer than the ones in the black version. But those are my thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like and subscribe, and until the next video. Bye guys.